available in isolation for adoption. This is Jake, and the volunteer is taking Jake to the 200 building. Bye, Jake. We have 8 dogs in isolation for adoption. They will go home with medicine. This is Sienna. Sienna is 556324. This is Titan Jr. 556271. This is Sophie. Hi, Sophie. 557361. This is new to the facility. This is Seal. Seal is a Ridgeback. Heartworm positive. We treated. 555124. This little guy is Red. 555601. If you're looking for a little dog, Red's your guy. This is Wilma. She came down with kennel cough, so she's in isolation. 555978. This handsome guy, who's this? This is James. He was in adoptions just the other day. He's got kennel cough. What happens is the dogs come down with kennel cough because they're in adoptions for too long. And this is my boy Gene. Gene was over in adoptions and he's in isolation now, recovering from a skin condition. He's on medication. We noticed the poor guy was all red. Gene is 314147. So please come to Pinellas County Animal Services. It is Wednesday, and you can adopt a dog in isolation, and we'll send you home with medicine. Say, Gene. Gene, tell everybody you want to go to a forever home so you can get better at home and not in the shelter.